This is your MetaTrader platform view, and if you look at a little bit in the left corner, you see Market Watch. There is a time, and this part of MetaTrader is very important because you need to know what is the MetaTrader opening time and what is your MetaTrader closing time. Hello, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we'll talk about MT4 and MT5 market opening times. So we know the MetaTrader opening hours, trading hours, start at midnight between the Sunday night and the Monday morning, and for some brokers trading hours began on Sunday around the 22 nights because of different time zones, and sometimes even on midnight. And most GMT zone brokers allow trading from Monday at just beginning a minute after a midnight till Friday, and the midnight between a Friday and Saturday. If we think about this, we know that this information is not the same from every single broker. So let me start from the beginning. First, how to see the MetaTrader server time. To see a MetaTrader server time, you need to open MT4, MT5 platform and then make visible widget Market Watch. So you need to go to View menu, then choose Market Watch to make the widget visible and then to see the current server time. The first thing that we need to do is to know this procedure in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 market open time usually starts around 11 p.m. GMT plus 2 on Sunday, while the market closes around 11 p.m. GMT plus 2 on Friday. And for every single broker, the most important thing is MetaTrader 5 market opening time matches MT4 market opening times. So the market opening time, even you trade a MetaTrader 4, even you trade a MetaTrader 5, for the same broker will be the same. And you just need to go to the view, then Market Watch, and you will see the trading server time. But you ask, why is this important for you as a trader? I know it's a little bit tricky for some people, just information about time, but it's important. Why? There is two major things that this can be very, very important. The first one is sometimes some brokerage, if you trade for other prop companies, for example, like me, you need to close your trade before the weekend. Why? Because your employer, they want that you do that. So you cannot keep your trade during the weekend open. Because my company, for example, we trade lots, a dozen lots, sometimes very large positions. And because of that, you need to close your large positions because your company, they want to track the lot, they want to avoid any kind of risk to losing money. And I need to know when my script, because I have a script that will close my trade, need to react and close just a couple minutes before the market close. Sometimes I will close manually, but you need to know the time when your MetaTrader platform will be closed for your trading asset. So you need to know this for every single asset. This is the first reason why you need to do that. The second reason is sometimes there will be very important news during the weekend, and you as a regular trader, maybe you don't work for a prop company. In that case, you need to know where is your market close, when your MetaTrader platform close, and you want to trade just before the market close your trade and avoid trading during the weekend. And finally, the last example is sometimes very, very, very important news will happen in Sunday, for example, and you want to use that on the market, and maybe you want to buy or sell euro dollar, or maybe you want to buy or sell gold, and you want just in that moment, just when market open, to enter into trade. You need to know where a MetaTrader platform will enable you to trade. And this is not just the hours, because you need to know two informations. One information is a server time for your broker, and the next information that you need to know is at what time my broker will start trading enabled. So this is the very important thing. You need to know where you'll be enabled to trade for your broker, and this can be several hours difference. For example, I will just show the table here. We create one research. I went, for example, to several brokerage companies, and I just on their websites for major forex pairs, I found a table, and in that table I tried to see when some broker enable MetaTrader to trade, for example, major forex pairs, and what is the MetaTrader closing time for major forex pairs. And you can see here in the table that, for example, you have majority of them open around 1, 2, or 3 hours before the market, before the Monday to Sunday meet, and so you trade 1, 2, or 3 hours during the Sunday, and then you enter into Monday, and usually it's like that. But some brokers will be just a few hours after only Monday. You cannot trade during the Sunday. So there is a lot of brokers. You have Wanda and FXCM, for example, two major big brokers that trade in US, if you're from US. And majority forex brokers are from Europe, and they follow GMT plus 2 or GMT plus 3 major time zone, and you need to know that. But the time zone or server time is not enough. You need to know another information, and what is the working time for your brokerage, what is the exactly time for your brokerage. And you will see there is a funny results here. Look this, for IC markets you have a Friday 3 minutes before midnight. 3 minutes before midnight, or they will close MetaTrader for trading. Or in Monday 1 minute after midnight, for example. And you have a really sometimes crazy times. It's not a sharp just 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, or something like that. You have a couple minutes above and below, and this information can be valuable for some traders. I know that when you watch this, you can tell, oh, this is not important too much, I know this, etc., etc. But my advice to you is, you should know everything about your broker. You need to know the server time. You need to know, for example, the server URL. It's a good thing to know. Because sometimes maybe you cannot log into your MetaTrader platform, because it will not work when you choose, for example, FX Pro Real 01. You know, sometimes you need to know server exactly URL for your server. So server time, then server URL, then when brokerage start to work, when close the trade, what is the time during the winter, what is the time during the summer. All this information you should know. You should put it in some maybe notepad or somewhere else, because it's a good information, and you can use this. You can use this sometimes in some urgency situation when you need to close or open your trade before or after some important news. So this video is short. I know this is for beginner traders. If you have some ideas for future videos, or some topic that you want to know more about it, please, you can comment below this video or any other video on this YouTube channel. And please read our article. We have a link just below this video. You can visit our website. We have a lot of new indicators, expert advisor. You can download them, and I hope you will enjoy to watch some videos here. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.